Guess what we're doing today?
Going to get propane.
Yep, so we'll show the process of that. So I don't think anyone showed that on YouTube before. Where's my tea? To get down in here. That's 0. That's how we knew we were out.
And now we have to go find somewhere to get it filled.
Yeah. It's been leak tested. Yeah. It's just a little gallon.
I think it's a 5-pound thing, if I remember.
Yeah, I know they do it.
That's still for a little bitty ball. We can't fit a bigger one in there?
No, we can't. Oh, it's 11-pound bottle.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, 11.0.
Oh, okay. Well, the one I found on Amazon was only a 5-pound bottle. So.
The car's dirty. Let's see if I can.
Sorry, my stuff in my lockers in here.
Let's go find out first. I guess it's in the KOA.
Hi.
Mm-hmm. It's 11-pound bottle. Better than 5.
Yeah, I'll have to find a different one.
Different what?
The one I put in the Amazon cart was 5 pounds.
Yeah. So it was empty.
Yeah, 1.0.
awesome.
That's to the little lady up there. The flies love it too.
Yeah, well, we know 1 gallon of propane weighs exactly 11 pounds.
Yep. Found some mountains today.
Yep. It actually took what? About 5 seconds
Yeah.
to fill the bottle. That's cool. Now we gotta pay for it. $4.60.
For 1 pound or 1 gallon.
Yeah, 1 gallon. But we used it quite a bit though. When it got really cold, we actually used it to heat the boat up.
Yeah. That was like 2 or 3 nights, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was terrible. And early in the morning too.
Yeah. Back to the boat now.
Here we go. Look at that. There we go. So if you've made it this far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out my links down in the description for the rest of my stuff that you can follow and stay up to date with us.